Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to quickly go over how to save a Word document as a PDF. This will be for people who, maybe your first time with a Word document that you want to create a PDF with and you're a little unsure of how to save it or different options. So this will just be for absolute beginners, just how to save a Word document as a PDF. So here's a table of contents from my last video. I just went over how to create a table of contents in Word. So if you're interested in that, check out that video. So we're gonna have two options here to save this as a PDF. So first, if we go to File, go to Save As, click Browse. From here, Save As type, just click PDF, Table of Contents, Example, and click Save. And it will actually bring it up in whichever you have as your default PDF opener. For this, I have Microsoft Edge, I have Adobe, Chrome. So it brings this up and you have a usable table of contents, which no one can edit since it is a PDF, which is the nice part. So let's close out of there. The second way of doing this would be hitting Control P to print, or just clicking File, Print. So if you have a printer that you use, it will be connected to that, but there'll be an option, Microsoft Print to PDF. So click that. And so when we click Print, it's going to take us to our files, and you can go to whichever file you want and save it as a PDF. It will automatically have PDF option chosen here. It's a little quicker and easier this way. It'll be the same thing that when you save it, and it will automatically open in Microsoft Edge. And those are two quick ways to save your Word document as a PDF. Like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.